Hi everyone, Kieran Brown here, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be talking about the most important metric in the gym. Now, this is a picture of me about 5 years ago when I was 21. As you can see, this was before any kind of gym consistency whatsoever. Um, the longest amount of time I'd managed to commit to the gym up until this point was probably about 6 weeks. I'd always wanted to get consistent, but I always just lacked motivation, and I just never be able to keep it going. I didn't really enjoy it. I wasn't recording anything. I wasn't gamifying it, and I just didn't really enjoy going to the gym, to be honest. Um, and that was until I made some changes. So here are some screenshots of my workouts from last year. The top two are for the incline bench press with the barbell, and the bottom one is for the overhead press with the barbell. And you can see that, within a space of a year, have made some good gains there. So, what's the difference between this guy and this guy? So, my first ever recorded workout was just in my notes, was in 2018. So that was probably a year before that picture was taken. And, obviously up until this point, I had no idea what I was doing because I wasn't tracking any workouts. I wasn't making any progress. And it wasn't until May 2021, so nearly 3 years later, that I actually started to consistently track my lifts. And as you can see there, again, they were just in the notes section of my phone. I'd literally just each session create a new note and just type out my reps and weight. And then in August 2022, on the recommendation of a mate, I got the Strong app, and I think I actually got the premium one straight away. It's literally $30 for a year. It's a bargain. It's so worth it. I can't recommend it enough. And yeah, this really supercharged it for me. And this is when I sort of started to see some actual progress because I was finally tracking the weights. So yeah, on the right there, that's the first ever session I recorded on the app, and as you can tell by all the 18 personal bests. So we're going to dive a bit deeper into this as well, and I'll show you this little screenshot from one of my workouts recently. I was doing the Bulgarian split squat, and if you have a look at the picture, what metric do you think is the most important and is going to be the topic of this video? I'll give you a little second to have a look around and see what it might be. So hopefully you decided that it was this plus 5% up here. And what does this mean? This means that the total volume was 5% higher than the last time I performed this exercise. So the great thing about the Strong app is it calculates this for you. So when you put in your new reps for the current session, it will tell you if you've done less, like the same or more than last time. And this is, in my opinion, the most important metric because this shows that you're getting stronger in the gym. And as well, it's super useful because it also lets you see progress if you're having different weights, for example. So let's say you're doing 70 kilo bench for higher reps, and you get 12 reps, and then you go and do higher weight, say 90 kgs, and you get 5 reps. Well, which is higher? There's no real way to work it out easily, whereas the app will just calculate for you. And for that example, they're actually quite similar. 70 kilos for 12 reps and 90 kilos for 5 reps is a similar 1 rep max. So what we want to aim for on every exercise, if possible, every session, is around a 3 to 5% increase. You can see on this one it was a 5% increase, and you know you won't get it every time. Admittedly, you have off sessions; it happens. But if you can aim for this as much as possible, then it really starts to compound, and you'll notice your strength going up and up. And without tracking or using an app such as the Strong app, you'll just never know. Like you'll just be guessing. You'll be going into the gym and thinking, like trying to remember what you did last time, and it's probably going to be inaccurate anyway. So I can't recommend like tracking your workouts enough and just turning it into a game. Just trying to get stronger than last time. And this is progressive overload. This is what it is. It's just increasing the volume every session if possible, whether that be more reps or more weight or both. I did a video about double progression, which should be uploaded by now. I think it's called like how to gain strength fast, something like that. So I talk about that more in detail on what it actually looks like when you're in the gym. And without progressive overloads, you're never going to get stronger. So in summary, since I got the Strong app in 2022, pretty much every workout I've done since then has been recorded, and I can access every single one on the app. And that's 379 workouts as of November 6th. And this is when things really started to change for me, and I started to actually make progress in the gym and make some strength gains. And it doesn't have to be the Strong app. It's the only one I've used, to be fair, but I've heard from other people that it's the best. But any app that measures your like percentage increase in volume every session will do. Aim for a 3 to 5% increase per session, and that's the most important metric in the gym, in my opinion. And if you're training close enough to failure, and you have this 3 to 5% increase, then you're going to build muscle and build strength, no matter what. If you're interested in some coaching to help lean down, I do one-to-one stuff. So click the first link in the description and we can chat about it on a call. That's it for today. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.